These fruit sculpture videos are getting millions of views across all social media right now. They're incredibly satisfying to watch, highly engaging, and perfect for short-form content. In this video, I'll show you the complete workflow for creating videos like these using AI. First, head over to the description and copy the master prompt without missing a single word or line. Now open Claude AI, paste the master prompt into the prompt box, and hit send. Within a few seconds, Claude will generate a list of different fruits and vegetables that you can use for your project. You can choose any option you like. For this tutorial, we'll select squash. Next, Claude will ask you to choose a carving concept. Again, you can select any concept, but for this example, we'll choose Lion King bust. Once you've made your selection, Claude will generate a detailed AI video prompt for you. Now video prompt is ready, and copy the video prompt. Now it's time to generate the video. Head over to OpenArt, click Create Video, then select Text to Video. Choose your preferred video generation model. Paste the prompt into the prompt box and apply your settings. For the best results, use a 9:16 aspect ratio, 720p resolution, and a 10-second duration. Click Generate. After a short wait, OpenArt will generate your video. And here's the final result. A realistic and satisfying transformation where the squash is gradually carved into a detailed Lion King bust sculpture with smooth cinematic motion. Using this same workflow, you can create unlimited videos with different fruits, vegetables, and carving concepts. Try oranges, watermelons, pumpkins, pineapples, strawberries, carrots, coconuts, and many more. You can also experiment with animals, fantasy creatures, famous characters, birds, dragons, skulls, flowers, and countless other creative ideas. Every combination creates a completely unique result while following the exact same workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.